Hi everyone, as you can see, that's my country house that was used only 3 seasons before, but we decided that we want to use it all year long. So we were taking the water from the lake that you see there, but now we decided to install a well underground, as I can show you. So you can see the well there, and underground there's a pipe going to the country house about 10 feet under the ground. So here you see that the pipe, because I don't have any insulation under my country house, this pipe that goes in the country house is freezing in the winter. So I decided to put a heating cable in there, so the pipe will not freeze during winter. So I decided to buy the MAXKOSKO product because they have a really cheap product that's really effective, and they also have a really good service. So we're gonna go inside to see. I'm gonna put some light there so you can see well. So that's the heating line that you put inside your pipe. So that's the water that goes in my kitchen, in my bathroom. So this pipe that goes under the country house has to be heated so it doesn't freeze at winter, because we're in Canada and here winters are pretty rough, so it goes to minus 30 sometimes. So it's really easy. You just put a T like this, so the water goes in your house, and the water that's coming from the well, you just insert directly the heating line in there, easy like that. So I decided to put like 30 feet to make sure that the heating line goes underground where it's not gonna freeze. So all you have to do is you put something in there to make it so it doesn't leak, and you screw it on, and you just plug it to the wall, and that's it. So the good thing about this wire cable is auto-regulated, so it keeps warming the pipe as it needs. So if it's really cold, it eats more, and if it's warm, it stops. So so everyone, thanks for looking at my video, and I wish it helps.